In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever seen a growing balance in undeposited funds, or had trouble matching your bank feed to your books, this walkthrough will help you tidy things up so your accounting and your actual bank deposits line up perfectly. Undeposited funds acts like a holding tray for customer payments you've received, but haven't yet grouped into a bank deposit. Think of it as the place where checks, cash, or grouped card settlements sit, until you bundle them into the single deposit that appears on your bank statement. Cleaning this up ensures that what you record in QuickBooks mirrors the real-world deposits that hit your bank. First, open the deposit screen by selecting the plus Create button. From the banking section, choose Bank Deposit. This takes you to the deposit form where you'll assemble the exact deposit you plan to send, or that has already appeared in your bank. At the top, select the specific bank account you want to deposit into. This should be the same account that will receive the funds. Double-check that the deposit to field reflects the correct bank account, not undeposited funds. Choosing the right account here prevents deposits from landing in the wrong place and keeps your balances accurate. In the section labeled Select the payments included in this deposit, check every payment that belongs in the same deposit. Match what you select to the lump sum your bank shows or the total on your deposit slip. For example, if you took 3 checks to the bank together, select those 3 checks here so the combined total matches the single deposit that will appear in your bank feed. This one-to-one matching is what makes reconciling smooth later. Before saving, verify the details for each transaction you're including. Confirm the payment method reflects how the money was received from names the correct customer, and the amount matches the original payment. Accurate details here help with reporting, audit trails, and automatic bank feed matching. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish this deposit. If you have more deposits to group, use Save and New to keep going. Each time you'll repeat the same process. Choose the bank account, select the related payments from undeposited funds, verify the details, and save. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online, making your bank deposits easier to match and your books more accurate. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.